the Galaxy A35 and the Galaxy A55. These devices are packed with impressive features and enhancements that are sure to elevate your smartphone experience. So, let's jump right in and explore what makes these phones stand out from the crowd. Maintains connectivity. Both the Galaxy A35 5G and A55 5G ensure seamless connectivity with their 5G and Wi-Fi 6 support, allowing you to stay connected at lightning-fast speeds wherever you go. Upgraded performance. Powered by the upgraded Exynos 1480 processor, the Galaxy A55 5G offers a remarkable performance boost with a 167% increase in NPU, 32% in GPU, and 15% in CPU performance compared to its predecessors. This means smoother multitasking, faster gaming, and overall improved performance. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A35 5G is no slouch either, boasting an Exynos 1380 chipset that delivers an 81% increase in NPU, 15% in GPU, and 18% in CPU performance. Memory and storage options. Both models offer ample memory and storage options to suit your needs. You can choose between 8GB or 12GB of RAM paired with 256GB of internal storage on the Galaxy A55 5G, while the Galaxy A35 5G offers 8GB of RAM with either 128GB or 256GB of storage. Plus, both devices retain expandable storage support of up to 1TB via microSD card. Long-lasting battery. With a robust 5000 mAh battery and 25W fast charging support, the Galaxy A35 5G and A55 5G ensure that you stay powered up throughout your day, so you can keep going without interruption. Say goodbye to compromises with the improved build quality of both devices. Featuring Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for both front and back panels, coupled with a sturdy metal frame, these phones offer durability and style in equal measure. Camera and display enhancements. Both models sport impressive camera setups, including a 12MP ultra-wide, 50MP main, and 5MP macro rear cameras, along with a 32MP front camera for stunning selfies. Plus, the addition of support for Super 8R video means you can capture every moment in stunning detail. On the display front, you'll be treated to a larger 6.6 Super AMOLED display with FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and an impressive peak brightness of 1650 nits, ensuring vibrant colors and crisp visuals. Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and Galaxy A55 5G redefine the standards of smartphone excellence with their impressive specifications, enhanced performance, and premium design. Whether you're a multitasker, a photography enthusiast, or a gaming aficionado, these smartphones have something to offer for everyone. Stay tuned for our hands-on reviews and demonstrations as we delve deeper into the world of Samsung's latest innovations. While both models feature Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for their front and back panels, there are some differences in their dimensions. The Galaxy A55 5G boasts a slightly longer height and increased weight compared to its predecessor, while the Galaxy A35 5G has altered dimensions and a slight weight increase. The Samsung Galaxy A35 5G and A55 5G are powerhouses of performance, connectivity, and style. With their upgraded processors, generous memory and storage options, long-lasting batteries, and impressive camera and display enhancements, these phones are sure to delight users. Whether you're a multitasking pro, a photography enthusiast, or a movie buff, These devices have something for everyone. So, why wait? Upgrade to the future with the Galaxy A35 5G and A55 5G today.